cervix. We have the ecto and endo. The ecto is lined by stratified squamous. The endo, this is the endo. Okay, this is the endo. Simple columnar. Okay, this part here is still part of the endo, but there are areas where it is replaced by stratified squamous. So that's the area that is metaplastic. Okay? Yung na-replace siya here. Diba? Columnar, 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 then all of a sudden becomes stratified squamous. Okay? And then it's not yet part of this, like here. This is very obvious. You have a gland that transformation is squamous. Okay? Sabi mo, Doc, is it not part of the ectocervix? So you have to have, this is the ectocervix. Okay? That's the ectocervix. Then you have here the start of the transition. Where I do not. Okay? This is the ectocervix. Then you have the start of the endocervix. So whatever after that, and the endocervix, stratified squamous, that's the metaplasia. Okay? What's the label of the slide? Chronic endocervicitis. So again, we will come back to this when we go to the inflammation to appreciate what are the pictures of chronic inflammation that you see here. So at the moment, what is of interest to us as of the moment is the metaplastic area. Okay? Metaplasia. The columnar was replaced by the stratified squamous.